Garnet County and Central North Carolina. Northeastern Lee County and Central North Carolina. Southwestern Wake County and Central North Carolina. Southern Johnston County in Central North Carolina. Southeastern Chatham County in Central North Carolina until 8 p.m. At 7:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Benson. We're 11 miles southwest of Smithfield, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
Locations impacted.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cary, Smithfield, Lillington, Garner, Fuquay, Varina, Dunn, Angier, Benson, Apex, and Holly Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.